What's up friends, welcome back. Now we are going to write C++ program that reads number and display whether number is odd number or even number. This is the practical exercise question number 13. To write this program we use if there is a statement. Yeah, do you remember the syntax of if there is a statement, please? Yeah, remember to write program by using if there is a statement. To have to write if, then here condition, and open this statement, and also here else part. You see? Yeah, this is the general syntax of if else statement. Here these statements here execute. These statements execute when condition is true, right? When condition is true, then these statements in else part execute. Here statements execute when condition is false. Condition is false, right? Yeah. Then now we are going to use this syntax to write a program that reads the number from the user and check whether the entered number is even or odd number. So without spend much more time, let us start. Remember, first of all, here we have to make variable declaration, right? We are going to make a declaration of our variable, which is num. For example, int, can call it num or x, any variable, right? Then here we have now to read the number from the user. Cout enter number, right? Enter number from the user. This is the message that asks user to enter number, then end line here like this. Then we can now read our number, which is x, from the user. Now after get this number, we are going to check whether this number is even as condition. Number is even if those number, if that number modulus 2 remainder equal to 0. This means that when we take that number and we divide by 2 and then remainder be 0, in this case our number is even, otherwise our number is odd. So here we have to use this modular operator to check whether remainder is 0, right? To check whether remainder is 0. Yeah, that is. Then in this situation, out our number is even, right? Number is even like this. Then here end line. You see, this is the first condition if our number is even. Then else, this part for else will be executed when this number is not even, right? This number is not even. When we take x and modulus 2 and then remainder not equal to 0, in this case, and execute the else part will be executed, right? So here in this part is when our number is not even, means that number is odd. Number is odd, right? Then end line. You see, This is our program to check whether the entered number is even or odd. So let us make a compression before run our program so as to check whether the number is odd or even. You see, there is no error. We can now run our program, right? Yeah, now first of all we have to enter number. For example, let us enter like 5. You see, 5 is odd, right? This means that 5 modulus 2, the remainder will not be 0. Here when you take 5 and divide by 2, remember will be 1. That's why is odd. So, and let us run again, and now let us enter like a 10 here. See, so you see number is even, because when you take 10 and divide by 2, we will get the 5 as quotient and remainder 0. That's why this 10 is even. So this is a simple program, a simple way to write C++ program that show with the number entered by user is odd or even. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.